Lord, maraming salamat po sa araw na to. Ginawa niyo pong napaka-special ng araw na to para sa amin.
Hi babe, so here we are now. Back in second year, I remember telling myself na hindi na ako magbo-boyfriend ng mas bata at mas maliit sa akin. Then, naging mag-classmate tayo, nagkakilala, at gusto mo manligaw. Pero sabi ko, hindi pa ako ready. Pero ang totoo nun, mas matangkad kasi ako sa'yo.
Sa dami ng pinagdaanan natin, I'm just so grateful that it's you standing here with me today. Gusto ko lang muna balikan yung araw na una kitang nakita. High school pa lang tayo, pero malinaw pa rin sa isip ko yung kulay ng buhok mo at yung amoy ng pabango mong juicy.
Maraming hindi nakakalam ng mga pinagdaanan natin. Pero kahit tayong dalawa lang, lagi nating nalalagpasan yung lahat. Nung naging tayo from high school to college, lagi mong pinaglalaban yung relationship natin. Despite all the stress, sa work, sa topak ko, lagi mo akong pinipili. Kahit minsan, feeling ko hindi na ako kapili-pili.
As the years pass, mas lalo kong nakilala kung sino ka talaga. May mga taong unang tingin pa lang iisipin siguro mataray ka. Pero para sa akin, you are one of the kindest persons I know.
And today, I promise to always choose you the way you always chosen me. I promise to stand by you in the good and the bad, to grow with you, and to love you with all that I am always. Ang haba! This gift is my way of showing how much I appreciate you. I know no material thing can ever match everything you've done. All your patience, love, and effort, especially while preparing for our wedding. You deserve the best. I love you always and forever. Patrick. Kulay blue! Bigla sumayon ng kulay blue eh, no? Sabi ko,
I want to make these promises to you. I promise to always see the good in you, even on days when you can't see it yourself. I promise to be patient with you, especially sa mga maliliit na bagay na minsan nating pagtalunan.
I promise to be there for you always, to have a heart that understands.
Thank you. Here's a simple gift to remind you how thankful I am to have you as my partner for life. Excited to start this new chapter with you. See you later, future husband. Yun eh!
Naiyak.
Yun oh!
Makita mo, iangat mo.
Yun oh. Yun oh. Just wanted to greet you a happy birthday, my love.
Kaya pala. Oo nga pala.
Yun oh.
Ay, ka-assembling pa pala. So, pakita mo sa camera kung paano assemble.
Ganda pre. Kaso baka malaglag eh.
Pakita mo na.
Pinaglaban tayo ni Lord noon kasi gusto niyang makita tayo ngayon sa moment na to. Kaya thank you Lord, worth it lahat. 12 years ago, I said my first yes when you asked me to be your girlfriend. Last year, I said my second yes when you asked me to marry you.
When I look back on our past together, I'm reminded of the countless moments that brought us here. Yung halos araw-araw tayong magkasama mula high school hanggang college, hanggang ngayon sa work. Magkasama natin hinarap yung mga struggles, pati na rin yung mga bunga ng lahat ng pinaghirapan natin.
And now, I'm giving you my third yes in front of our family and friends. And the Lord, of course, saying yes to a new chapter, a lifetime with you.